Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage Google passwords on a Google Pixel Fold. And to do this we'll need to launch our Google Chrome, and right here click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. You might as well see the arrow pointing up or down. Anyway, click on it and then go to the settings. Right here we need to find Password Manager. Then move to the gear icon and make sure that offer to save passwords is enabled like I have right here. Now we can go back and try to open any websites that we can save our credentials in. In this case I'm gonna go for the Facebook. Then enter our credentials. And when we click on login, after a few seconds we should see the pop-up with save password, and we want to save it. Now when we go back to the password manager the same way as in the beginning of this video, we can find the Facebook on the bottom. There's two accounts. We'll need to unlock our phone after clicking on it, and here you can see the username as well as the password that we used. We can edit the username by clicking on edit button as well as the password. In case you want to see the password, then click on this I button and here it is. There's also option to delete this information, and you can do it by clicking on delete button, just like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.